this Facebook posting. It's a single mom putting her healthy baby boy up for adoption on Facebook. Is this real or is it a scam? Now, the woman says she's looking for a good family for her son.
Yeah, posts like this are turning up more and more these days, though. As Fox 13's Deborah Bowden shows us tonight, experts say don't be so quick to believe them, though.
Scroll down the Facebook postings for Tampa garage sales and you'll find this, a want ad from a single mom looking for someone to adopt her baby.
Healthy baby boy, affectionate, words that are kind of pulling at your heartstrings.
Jeanne Tate has been an adoption attorney for 30 years in Tampa. She says look out, especially if you're hoping and praying to adopt.
What would immediately come to my mind as someone that's seen things like this and been involved in things like that is that a trap for the unwary, someone that is certainly higher on the antenna level for looking at scamming or trafficking or something worse.
The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office is investigating whether it's a hoax or a post from a real mother. If it is real, so are the dangers.
Because it's posted on a garage sale site, and that doesn't seem very appropriate.
Kelly Wild is a specialist with A Woman's Place, helping pregnant women understand all of their options. But this, she says, shouldn't be one of them.
Anyone could respond to that. My concern is really for her. What kind of crisis might you be in to feel that this would be the best option for you right now?
I think social media has really transformed adoption, and not so much in a good way.
Experts say these posts are not the norm, but they are turning up more than ever.
There's no regulation, there's no oversight, and there's no assurance on either side that the person that you're speaking to is what they've represented.
In Tampa, Deborah Bowden, Fox 13 News.
Investigators say tracking down the origin can be tough here since anybody around the world could have made a post like that. But if they do find the person, Florida law makes it a crime to advertise a child is available to adopt or that a child is wanted for adoption.